Hello friends, welcome. Today we will learn English grammar. Preposition tests with modes of transportations. Answer will be only, on or in. On, we use only large vehicles which we can stand and walk around in. And in is used for small vehicles which we can enter and sit in. So that is the general rule of how on and in can be used with modes of transportations. Let's get started with number 1. I am blank a bus. Bus is a large vehicle that we can stand and walk around in. The answer will be on, my dear friends. On. I am on a bus. And number 2. I am blank an airplane. Airplane also large vehicle so that we can stand and walk around in. So answer will be on, my dear friend. I am on an airplane. And number 3. I am blank a car. Car is a small vehicle that only we can sit in. So the answer will be in, my dear friends. I am in a car. And number 4. I am blank a train. Train is a large vehicle that we can stand and walk around in. So the answer will be on, my dear friends. I am on a train. Number 5. I am blank a taxi. Taxi is a small vehicle that we can sit in. So answer will be in, my dear friends. I am in a taxi. Number 6. I am blank a truck. A truck is a big vehicle, but in truck we can only sit in, so that the answer will be in, my dear friends. I am in a truck. Number 7. I am blank a metro. Metro is a large vehicle that we can stand and walk around in. So answer will be on, my dear friend. I am on a metro. Number 8. I am blank a helicopter. Helicopter also a big vehicle, but inside that we can only sit in. So answer will be in, my dear friends. I am in a helicopter. Thank you, my dear friends.